Welcome to the song Hosh Walon ka Khabar. This is from the film Sarfrosh, and the song is sung by Jagjit Singh ji. So the song is written in F scale. So you already learnt the theory of music and how the scales are formed. As also a song we have already done with, which is the Ek Ajnabi, that's also from the same scale. So just small revision of the scale that we want to know from for the song. So F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Backwards F, A, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Watch out the fingerings that I used. 1, 2, 3, 4. My thumb came under to reach the C. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could play very comfortably without looking for any other fingers. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again 4 comes over the thumb. 4, 3, 2, 1. You can play along like that with the same fingering. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could reach any amount of scales that you want to reach by using this method. We now start the song by looking at the bar number 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. So this five bars becomes the intro, how the song starts from the 6th bar. So F, E, C, A, F, finish. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that's how the song is composed. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now the voice enters on this bar number 2. F, look, change your fingering. As previously we discussed 5-finger position. So C2, C, D, E, F, G position. F, then F, E, D, C, D. Then lift your hand to A position. A, B flat. The thumb under the C for C. Then E, G, F. I have reached back to the same F. One more time. F. Then lift your hand for the A. So that was the intro. So the complete intro is now the song starts with F, 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 G, F, G, F, D, 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 D. One more time. F, 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 G, F. That is faster because in one beat, G, D, F, one beat you have to play that. So then D, 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 D. Next C, B, D. Now comes a small crush note on the C. So how would I play it? Because the principal sound is, but the ornamentation for the voice, full now. You can repeat a number of times to perform it well. So again he has performed the same thing. Then D, 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 D. Then same thing is going on. Now coming to bar number 13. We finish 14, 15. from 14 we will learn how to play. So A, over, you can understand the notes. So B, C, B, A, B. So the B, C, B, A is so quick. So the B flat is the principal sound to be heard properly. So we finish the whole bar. A. Then again A, B, C, B. Next. Again lift your hand for A position. Again D. Now move again to your F position or E position as you want. You can use the F position, G, F position. So I finished the bar 17 and 18. So let us go from the beginning what you learned so far. Next. One more time, next bar number 10. Now we move on to the new movement on bar number 14 on A position. Next we're going to the end of the song page 16, 17, 18th bar. We finished the first part of the song. So we went to the bar number 19. So how I came from 16. Then we repeat the beginning of the song, what we learned. So that was the first part of the song you learned. Now we are going to learn the music, which is so easy and simple and so graceful it is. See, keep your hand in any position you want. First we'll use the bar number 1 and 2, then we'll try to move on to 3 and 4, and how the finger moves on you can watch. I play. I use my E position. I played. Then I switch the second finger over the 1. Then again back E. Then B flat. I used third finger, or you can use the second finger. Then again I came back to my D position. You can see come E position. I finish everything. So then so next music 28, 29, 30 bar number. So by being in F position I could play the entire thing. Then by being in D position I will play the entire thing. But the D position is different, not the usual 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first finger is thumb and the remaining all shifted 4 at a time because the notes are going to be played in that way. See, my finger is ready. One more time. Next, so easy to play the next movement. How did I play? All the alternate fingers. You would have done your exercise. This is the exercise that you do. 5 basic finger exercises which I have given in the beginning of the song. If you follow that, then this is very easy. Over. Now we move on to the next part of the song. Next is small music so that the song gets repeated. So to get repeated, a small piece of music is being played on bar number 38. So it is, see the fingering I use? 1, 2, 5, 4, because I want to move to E. So I use, how did I do? Okay, now my finger is waiting on the E. So E, G, E, E flat, D. Then lift your hand for the next movement, bar number 40. So the music that we played without any interruption. Sorry, wrong. Lift your hand. Then again we play the same that we played the stanza. Then coming back to the song again. Again. That's one way for simple playing. Otherwise, that's another way of playing. It's written there. Then there's the articulation note which is being played there. One more time. We are moving on to 41 bar number. One more time, 41. Then what you learned in the beginning of the song, same is being played, like moving into A position. So this whole song can be played in this way and you can complete. It's a repetition. Whether you move on to the next stanza, the same way it is played. There's nothing that you have to learn more.